Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing team. And if you're new here, welcome. All right, in a previous video, I was talking about how I had a oil leak under wide open throttle for a sustained period of time, right? For a long time, let's say. Okay, so I need to fix that oil leak, and what I did is I added another catch can right over here. So what was happening, this is my oil return for the turbo, using a crankcase adapter, 10A in line. All right, right over here is a breather. Some oil is passing through here during wide open throttle. All right, I had an oil filter right about here, not an oil filter, but an air filter right here, and that thing ended up getting soaked. Got it here. This is the one I got with my Ram. Ended up getting soaked, filled with oil, and then that oil starts leaking out onto the ground and all over the inside of the truck under here, which is no good. So I added another catch can, and this has a little sight deal on it. You can see here. All right, so I can see how much oil is in there. Easy to dump as well. Fits pretty nice in here. I just need to get a filter for this. Haven't got to that point yet. I'm gonna put a little air filter on here. Just want to give you a quick update. Let's go under here and look at it. Fits nice. Whoop. There we go. Well, drains right there. Yeah, just a quick update. That's what I am doing to solve the little oil leak deal there. I've been driving the truck for the since the last video. I just put this in now, haven't got a chance to use it. I believe it's gonna work though for what I need. There's no leaking, no oil leaks, no drips, just normal driving around. It's just under wide open throttle for, let's say I'm gonna do a 1/4 mile run. At the end of the run, some oil has come out. All right, so this is to catch that oil. Secondary catch can. Hot damn, hell yeah. Y'all the baddest. I will keep you updated on this deal.